Some gold IRA companies use clever tactics to trick you into overpaying or rushing into a bad deal. Let me show you how to spot those red flags step by step. First, search for a gold IRA promotion online. You can type something like Best Gold IRA Returns Site News. You will see headlines and ads that sound great, but watch for phrases like guaranteed returns, massive profit potential, or beat inflation forever. Gold is for stability, not wild growth, and real experts never promise returns. Next, go to a few company sites and scroll through their landing pages. Look for countdown timers, limited time language, or pressure phrases like last chance or don't miss out. These are psychological tricks meant to push you to act before researching. Finally, let's search free silver gold IRA promotion. Click a few results and check the fine print. You'll often see offers like free silver with qualifying investment, sometimes 50K or more. It's not really free. Those deals usually come with strings attached, like high markups or minimum investments. Now, for contrast, let's check Augusta's site. Notice there's no flashy bonus offer, no fake urgency, and no fine print about free silver. That kind of transparency is what you want to look for. These tactics aren't always illegal, but they can cost you big if you don't know what to look for. That's why I recommend downloading the free Silver Scheme report. I've linked it down below. It breaks down these misleading tactics in plain English so you can avoid them and protect your savings. Grab it now and feel confident before you invest.